Welcome back everybody to the new episode of Summon Night Swordcraft Story. Last time we go to the Tagro Volcano. Then we meet a girl. That is a girl. I think hero they say. Or who the girl. But now we are accompanying her to stop the Master Loop Tattoo Craft Lords, Master Rupert, and the other craft lord of craft lord of Jade. So without further ado, let's continue playing this. Let's continue the playthrough. Oof. Oh man, why I can speak today? Okay, let's play first. Oh. Wait. Okay. I thought I was not full health. Oof. Okay, let's fight Chavez first. Oops, hit me. Oh. Okay, here you go. Are you... Oh, Prati. Chavez, I thought it was you. What are you doing here? Mr. Lubert asked me to come here and look for something. Oops. I just told you our secret. What? I wasn't really listening. Isn't that right, Kuti? Kuti, this inquisition is over. If you say so. You'll die. Ooh. Giad. Let's sleep ulit. Let's sleep again. Ay, dang it. My mission doesn't include fighting you guys. Goodbye. What was that? Kuti. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get back corner down. Just to refuel our HP. And save. In case of emergency happens. That's what we need to do. Okay, let's go. Oh. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Ow. There you go. Killed. Nabastan. Thank you. Wait. Ow. Ow. let's go. Little bit of dungeon diving. But will I across this again when I use the boat? But this is the current quest, so... Ow! 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 Ow, ow, ow. Ow, ow, ow. That hurt. Okay. Ready. Oh, okay. I hope in the right way. Okay, dead. Ow! Ow, ow. There you go, dead. There you go. Speed. Ow. Ow. Okay, puti. There you go. I hope I am right. Okay. Okay, I'm correct. Yes. Okay, I can go to the Kagro volcano. I think. Ayun. Master Hubert. And Master Rexa. Okay, Master Rexa. Prati. Thought you had already finished off finish off the well. Stop your plotting, just hand the sword over. Don't be a fool. Wait, Orexa, this lady is... Guess who we got here? She's the hero of Shedgen. You're the graceful summoner from another world, if I recall the story correctly. Your name is Saya, yes? Isekai story! It crossed The plot of Isekai is here. What? Is she the hero of Seigen that Rorixa mentioned? Some people call me Aya and some call me a hero. In any case, I can at least tell you I'm not your hero, I'm sure of that. You may be a hero, but you're just a young girl. Rorixa, I know what to do, but I want to ask one thing beforehand. Little girl, what's it like to be a hero? I'm sorry, I have never been a hero. I never wanted to become one. If you want to know so badly, why don't you become a hero yourself? Is that a hero's arrogance? There's always a choice. And if you choose a certain way, people have special names for you. Let your talk straight. The winner tells the tale. Heroism's all about who survives. I pity you. Same to you. The eyes of a child. I'm just a high schooler. Anyway, you people don't seem to be interested in talking about important issues. Well, I have no choice now. I summoned the spirits of my tropa. Come serve your tricolor. People serve me. Wow. This is the power of the hero. While because power is in effect, Ate leave this feeble-minded pretends behind and let's move on. We're going in. I'm going to find the summoner who's in here, Prati. Go find the sword. Let's accomplish our goals and get out of here as soon as we can. Let's go, Puti. Puti! Where are you tired? It's not like you. You're doing some sort of super move like that. Wake up. Oh, okay. That's it, Prati. Rexa, I didn't really expect that the Seigen luxury show. I understand everything now. I can't hope to be a hero to everyone. I just want to help one person. What do you mean by that, Rexa? There's nothing you can do here, just go back to this time. No way, unless you tell me what you're planning to do with my father's sword. I'm not going anywhere. Puti! You'll never understand my motives. My life is too different from yours. I'm Orexa, you're dad, and you're the child of Shinkai, so we will never share the same path. We are not, really, to be honest. I call my own summon creature to let me in my time with you. So come to me, serve your master in battle. Prepare yourself, Prati. Okay. Oh. Okay. Well, the hell. Okay. So Sobrang hina. You're too weak, mate. Mm, mm. Hmm. There you go. Oof. Oof, 5,000 XP. Got talent. Talent? Look it up in the dictionary. Alexander Sergisi and your... Oh no, I summoned creature when did it. No, I did it to myself so that I could heal away and whole again. Alexa, I'll change my mind. Her father's sword is at the bottom of the fridge. Go get it and return home. Huh? It's simple. I don't want the Guardians have it at so. But you just summon. Summon to it for me. I'll come to you for it sometime later. Mr. Alexa, why did he do that? I don't understand what Master Alexa meant. But that's right, we need to keep going. Of course. Okay. I hope I'm correct on my path. Ow, 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 ow. Wait. Ow! Thousand XP. Thank you for that. I do really need that. Okay. Yeah. Stay back if we get too close. You may get put in my summon spirits. But you're being project. It's nice that you're worried about me. But this is my battle. Hold on. Is it important for you to defeat this summon creature? Yes, it's very important. For everyone's sake, I need to capture the summoner who brought the waves into this world. I don't think you can. Is this the summoner? Yes, he hurt my friends and lost of the innocent people in my country. Some monster. The monster would like to become the dead by following the last words of Master Kordrake. I'll beat your friends at your precious blood and take control of my order and cleanse the world. Stupid idiot. Ako? That was something of... what's going on? Let's see. Ano na ba? And the view alone was just a harmless delusion, but you're causing people pain. If we let you go, you'll end up hurting lots of innocent people again. I can follow that. Whatever, my summon creature uses that power of so you won't be able to resist it. Even with that Kobalinker. Don't you have the faintest idea that you're doing so? Very well, I'm ready to face you with all my strength. Your bard, you're injured so bad. guy are going to come. Oh. No way, he's too strong for you. That's what I think. What do you think? You can take him out? This is my business. I must do this since I'm outspoken here and I'm already decided I want to give up the last second. It's for my friends and everyone else precious to me. Friends, I get it. My eyes fighting for the she holds there. Especially on to run away. It's not that she's too badly hurt to escape. I really want to help her. Is there anything I can do for that? Alright, let me buy you some time. During that time, try to regain your strength. Oh, thank you. That's what's in there. Oh, a craft night of whistling fires. You think if it's not too much trouble for you, please give me a helping hand. It's like handoff. It's like a handover. I was always in the director's position, so I never really had to pass my duties along to anyone else. What do you mean by that? And within this, I'll explain it to you. Now, I'll let you take care of the rest. Oh, alright. Goodie. Make sure that was already defeated the Linker. I is a Linker, but I'm a craft knight. Let's fight Goodie. Goodie. Ay, stupid ka me. Ow. Okay, we exploit. There is exploit. Ow, ow, ow. Yes! Exploit! Oh man, my weapon doesn't damage. Okay, nice. 18,000 payment. Oh man. Okay, thank you. Okay, no. Not this. Okay. There you go. Killed. Putty. Wait. Does some creature drop something when we defeat it? Put that my father's sword. Wait. We've got all three of them now. Yes. You did it, Prati? Yes, well, I know that you weakened the beast before and fought it. I just help a little. The summoned creature has been sent back, so it can't do any more harm. By the way, I have to keep promise that the promise we made. A promise? Promise to tell you the meaning of Hanover is old. Oh no, the summoner. Oh no, the summoner is about to run away. That's it. Hey you, the summoner. Wait, please. Aya, thank you for all your help. I'm the one who was rescued though. I managed to capture this thanks to you and your friends. Oh, we didn't do much really. I almost broke the promise with you. What promise? I promised to tell you the meaning of Hanover, didn't I? It's a long story, but don't worry about that. Take this guy back to your friends first. I really should. Ah yeah. Next time I'll go to your hometown. What's it called? It's Vistern, the city of swords. Vistern. Yes, I'll go visit you in Vistern. I'll tell you about the handover thing then. It's a promise. That's right. Hehehe. The city of swords. Do you think you'd have any hobby knives down there? They probably do. I'm looking forward to it. Now, I must be going. See you again. Sure, see you again, Tay. Aya. Tay. Gone. Just like that. Aya. The hero agent. I still don't know what a hero is, though. I assume it's a person with a big heart. Puti. I guess a hero is just like a normal person, but a little kinder and braver. Let's remember that. Kuti. What is it, Kuti? What? Lubert. You know what else? A hero has the ability to pay attention when somebody sneaks up on him. You're not done here yet. If all you want is to bring the sword of your father. Oh, you shouldn't let the hero of Agent leave. What I mean is, you're going to give me that sword right now. How does that? Do you like my plan? Can we do? I don't think we can fight Mr. Lubert. Now give me Sintet's sword. I don't think we have a choice. I mean, how can we defeat it? What would I do in this kind of situation? Why not give up? Ever give up till the last minute? What's the matter with you? The sword now. Yeah, let's not give up. I can let you have it. You'll never get it from me. Not in many million years. You spiteful 12. How dare you speak to me like that? I'll drown you in the ocean. Not so fast. Lubert, stop right there. Ruby. How did you get here so quickly? You can possibly know everything that's going on. Get out of here now. What about you? Kuti. Oh wait. I wonder if that person will be alright. Kuti. Yeah, okay. Let's focus on the sword and get back to my mother's place. I hope it's not ransacked. Whew. That's hell of a beating for me, for Daytel. Oh, I almost reset the game. Okay. Okay, let me sleep for now. Okay. Yes. Okay, there we go. Welcome home, Prati. I'm home, mother. This is that sword belonged to your father. Ready to get it. It was at Kagro volcano. A salmon creature has swallowed it. Now that the three swords are here, I wonder if the earthquakes will stop soon. You're involved in something so big. Thank you so much for taking care of my child. Kuti. Now I'm going to hang onto this sword as well. These two. Did it take you a while to get this sword back? Sanaris fight is already over. Oh, I totally forgot about it. Is it really over already? Yes, indeed. My child, you might want to for this sandwich. Worth missing it. Of course, yeah. Prati, I didn't make it. I'm sorry, Sanari. I've heard about what you were doing today. You went to Pagro Volcano with the craft lords, right? I know you had no choice. I'm not mad at you at all. But the fact is that I broke the family's really. That's okay, don't worry about it. Now I'm exhausted from today, so please excuse me, Sanari. Your late Big Sis Sanari's fight was really great. Total. Sanari totally smacked down her opponent with a single hit. It was awesome. Oh, I can't believe she improved so much in just a couple of days. It was such a great fight. Oh really? Yes, it was really great. To be honest with you, you scared of me. She scared me a little in there. We see. I feel something really bad coming. What's wrong, Big Sis? It's nothing. Okay. Let's apologize to. We've done a lot today. Good job. Cookie. I need to go for a walk and collect my thoughts after everything we've been through today. Sanari. I'll go to the observatory. Oh, Sanari, I'm sorry that I didn't make it in time to watch your fight today. I told you that it doesn't really matter. You just came to tell me that? I'm just here to chill out. Huh? Hey, I think I've gotten weaker recently. Why do you think that? Rasi told me that you look very strong today. She said you look very different. Yeah, I look different, huh? You know, I used to hate getting others into trouble or making them worry about me. I never felt happy about being helped by others. When you and Valid came to save me, I felt happy. I thought it was natural for me to feel that way, but now I think there's something wrong in feeling that way. How can I be strong if I enjoy being saved? That is to say, victors don't take care of their own problems. You think so? I think I'd be happy knowing that you were happy too, you know. That's what I'm talking about. You're not helping. What? I know that the best thing to do is to be true to myself. But I shouldn't turn into my sister. What? Huh? What do you mean? Was I talking to you? Yes. You want to be true to yourself. You can turn into your sister, etc. Forget it. Oh, what's wrong? Just forget it. Okay, I'm sorry. Well, another revelation, I think. I'm still sleepy. Cookie. Big Sis, what was that? What happened? Big Sis, come to with me. Come to once with me. Master really gave. Master finally gave me permission to go there to sell weapons. Congratulations. I'm going back to sleep now. Big Sis, please come with me. Alright, I'll go with you, okay? Yes, you are some Big Sis. I like you so much. Hey, Prati. Oh, Rasi is here. Is Rasi here too? Oh, hi, Uncle Bro. Master. Hey, you really like Prati, don't you? Hehe. Rasi, listen. Hush up a little. Rasi sure looks cheerful. What's he thinking? Anyhow, I've got a job for ya. Come go to Vans and sell the new ship and the weapons. You just want me to sell them? Yeah, I've already loaded up the ship with the merchandise and get going. Yes sir, we'll take off now. Master, can I go with them? Oh, huh? Oh, of course. I'm heading to the port now. Must is all this exorbitant. Okay, yeah. Okay, na I skip the dialogue, huh? Act like a girl. What do you mean by that? Are you upset with me by any chance? Cookie. It's about Razi. Huh? Are you telling me that you still don't get it? How insensitive are you? I I knew it. Rosie is a girl, right? What? So you do know? Huh? Of course I do. What? Is Rosie really a girl? Why are you so why are you surprised? You just said you knew that. No, I didn't know it. Just that I never really gave it much thought before. Anyhow, just know that Rosie is a girl. And her mom told me that lately Rosie never stops talking about big sis who saved her life. Really? Yeah, she does. So just don't hurt Rosie's feelings. Now you take care of the merchandise. When you return, I'll teach you a new technique. I don't know what to do after all. Kuti kuti. Yeah, that's right. We must go to Vans. Okay. Okay. Well then. This is the end of the stream. This is the end of the video. Everyone. And have a great day, everyone. Goodbye and God bless. Thank you for watching.